What if everyone around you becomes a zombie? We all have seen how scary zombies are in movies. May God never create such a situation on Earth. But imagine if the whole world is filled with zombies due to a virus. Then what do you do to survive? Today in this video, I will tell you some ways to save yourself from zombies, which may be useful for you in the future. To protect yourself, watch this video till the end. Number 5. The best way to escape from zombies is to destroy them with monster cars. Zombies can't do anything to you if you have such a scary car. These cars have all the awesome equipment and tools, which can remove any zombie from your path, but it will cost you a lot. Number 4. Another way to escape from zombies is to build water surrounding camp. It is believed that zombies are afraid of water. Or you can say that zombies can't swim in water. So to escape from the zombies, you have to choose the place right in the middle of the water. This must be a place where zombies cannot swim. Number 3. Number 3 is the Zombieproof Treadmill. We all know zombies have no brains, but zombies can easily do basic tasks like running up and down stairs. They can even open doors. So you need to put a treadmill on your stairs that people can climb, but zombies can't. And if the zombie somehow manages to get on the treadmill, you'll have enough time to run away. Number 2. Number 2 is the Zombieproof Jacket. There are some zombies that eat only human brains, but there are some zombies who are interested in eating all the human body parts. So you must have a zombie-proof jacket. If you wear it, the zombie's teeth will break, but nothing will happen to you. Number 1. You can also escape from zombies by building underground bunkers. Like an underground house, this place is so protected that zombies cannot even dream of entering this place. You can stay safe inside it until someone comes to protect you. If you want, you can keep all the facilities like TV, fridge, and Wi-Fi that you need. Think that zombies have really invaded the Earth due to some dangerous virus. What will you do to escape from the zombies? Please let me know in the comment. If you liked the video, then please click on like to get more videos like this, then subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.